show you 2 ways to create extensions with Legacy Nails Builder Gel Plus. For all extensions, we must prepare the nail plate. And after this, we will work on a dual cannula. This will serve as a mold to create the length of the nail. We distribute the product evenly, pre-cure, and finish molding the bottom and then seal it completely in the cabin. We finish shaping with the 5-in-1 drill bit and shapes with the file. With Builder Gel Plus, you can not only create long-lasting and flexible extensions, but you can also level the structure to finish it. Let's go to the second extension. We will use a sculpture mold that will serve as a platform to extend the free edge using Builder Gel Plus. I invite you to play with the self-leveling texture of this product and achieve an extension that requires little filing. Really level the structure and that's it.